How to make business cards in Canva. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to be giving you another Canva tutorial. So, what are we going to be learning? Today we're going to be learning how we can make our very own business cards, and we're going to make it in the easiest way because we're going to be making it on Canva. And as we all know, Canva is the easiest software or platform where you can create any type of art that you like. So before getting into this, please make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and share the video, and leave down any comment regarding any query or help you require, and I will get back to you. So let's get started then. We're going to go to canva.com, and once we're in Canva, what we're going to do is, first of all, we need to sign in with any type of Google account, and once we've done that, if you have never used Canva before, I recommend you to go and watch my how to use Canva tutorial, because once you watch that, you'll realize the basics of it and you'll know the main gist of how you really use Canva. So once you watch that and you know how to use Canva, you're going to learn the interface of it. And once you do that, we're just going to come down here and we're going to click on either the search bar and write business card. So as you can see, you see the business card template over here, or we can just go on design spotlight up here, and over here we can just go down and we see business card maker. So we can just click on that, and once we do that, we can go and click on start designing a business card. And once we click on that, it's going to take us to our very own blank canvas where we can start creating anything we like. Okay, so there are two ways of doing this. You can either make it out of scratch on a blank canvas, or you can make it out of any template that you find over here. So if we go in templates and you write any type of business you have, for example, you write food or kitchen or restaurant, look at these. You get all these templates for different types of cards. Now, obviously, most of them are going to be free, but some of them are going to be paid and they're going to have a crown on them. And if you want to get them, you're going to want to get the pro package, which is going to be in the pricings, which I'm going to show you later on. But yeah, so for example, if you want to make any type of card using your blank template or your blank canvas, first of all, we're going to give our card some color. So for example, I want a black card. So I'm going to click on that, and there we go. We have a solid background for our card. Now what we're going to need to do is we're going to put in some type of element on the side to give it some nice design. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on elements, and I'm going to write anything like borders. We're going to write that, and once we write that, you can choose any one of these. For example, I like this one. Let's change its color to white, and I'm just going to bring it right here on the edge. We have it there. Now let's decrease the size of it. Let's copy this, and we're going to paste it. We're going to bring it right here, and we're going to rotate it to 180 degrees, and we're going to put this one right here. I'm just going to bring this a bit forward too, and there we go, just like that. So now we've given it a bit of a border. Obviously it doesn't look the most greatest right now, and if you just want any type of ideas from other templates, you can go and take ideas. For example, if you want to look at that template and make it out of that one, you can click on add page, and you go on the second page. You're going to delete all of this. You're going to take any template that you want to take inspiration from. You're going to click on it, and there you go. The template loads up. Now you can go up here, and you're going to want to make it like this one. So what you're going to do, you're going to find an element like this. So we're going to go in elements. We're going to click on utensils. We're going to click on that, and we're just going to find any type that we prefer. So for example, I prefer this one, and I'm going to take it here. Take this one over here, and this one. I'm going to make it white, and I'm going to make it a bit smaller. And now I want it to be in type of a circle. So I'm going to go back to elements. In elements, I'm going to write circle. Now once I write circle, I'm going to take any type of circle that I prefer. I'm going to shorten its size, obviously, make it smaller, broaden it a bit, and center it. Once it's centered, you can change the color to whatever you'd like. For example, I want it white, so I'm going to make it white. I'm going to go back to this template. So now we need some nice fonts. So for fonts, you're just going to go on text, and there are many types of fonts over here. There are even these glow and sparkle ones. So if I want a sparkle font, I'm going to take that, click on that. It's going to come right here. I'm going to write, let's write, for example, just as an example, I'm going to write KFC. I think we place 2 fonts over here. So yeah, there we go. So I'm going to write KFC, and I'm just going to make it smaller. And once it's smaller, I'm going to drag it right under. I'm just going to make it a bit more smaller. There we go. So it's in the center right now. And you can make it look like however you want. For example, the yellow does look good, but I'm going to look around with other colors. The white looks too bland. So I'm just going to go with either yellow or any type of other blue. Yeah, yellow looks good. The yellow looks good. So we're going to keep it on yellow. Then we're going to take another text. For example, we're going to take this one. It's called glow. And we're just going to write the slogan we want. So finger licking good chicken. Obviously, we're going to decrease the font because it's way too big. You can make it 21. Or you can even decrease it more, because obviously the slogan should be smaller than the main text. And we're just going to place it under that. And we can give it the color, the same color we gave the upper one. And look at that. So this is how your business card will look. Now, obviously, it looks a bit dry because there's not a lot going on in these blank spaces. So as you come here, you can see all these great small transparent elements that have blended into the background. Now, if you don't want to go through the mess of finding elements like these, obviously you can do that, but if you don't want to go through the mess of that, you can just copy these. You can come and paste them over here. Look at that. They look amazing. And you can just copy all of them. Copy, paste. You're going to go here, copy, go here, paste, and again, copy, paste, and you basically get the gist of it. So I'm just going to copy this one as well, and one more. So it just looks a bit full. And yeah, there we go. So as we can see now, our design looks a bit more full, and it's kind of the way I want it to be. So yeah, this is basically the front of the card. Now if you want to create the back of the card is usually just simple. You don't need to do a lot. You're gonna click on this, and then you're gonna want to create a new page. So for that, you're just gonna click on add page, or you can duplicate this page. For example, I'm going to duplicate this. I'm going to delete this and this. And I'm going to take the text. I'm going to write contact info, and then you're going to write the address, example. So once you've done all of that, now what you're going to want to do is you're just going to go on share. And then you're going to click on download. And you're going to select the pages. You're going to select the front side and the back side of the card. You're going to unselect the template. Obviously, you don't want that. And you're just going to go on file type. You're going to select the file type you want. PNG is the best, so obviously go on that. And then click on download. And there you go. You're going to have your PNG downloaded. And that is literally how simple it is to create your business card on Canva. And then you can go and print it out or use it anywhere you like. So yeah, that's how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful to you. And if you want to see more videos like this, please let me know down in the comments below. And if you have any queries regarding this video, do let me know. I will get back to you as soon as I can. And yet again, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment, and share the video with anyone in need and your loved ones. So I'll see you next time, and I hope you do great till then. That's all from me. Goodbye.